Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to use this purple color of nylon thread and some pearls to put these pearls and tie a knot like we're doing here. After this, we're going to tie knot over and over again. Hold the thread tightly and look, you will get this beautiful design at the end. You can also use a single pearl in place of 3. You can make beautiful bracelets using this, and look, it is ready to try this at home. Going to tie a knot using this neon and purple color of nylon thread. Now we are going to repeat the same process. Here we are going to make this beautiful design using 2 different colors. Now take the ends of both thread and tie a cross knot on the top of the center part like this. After this, we are going to cut the extra knot from the top section. You can also use a lighter and stitch it like we're doing here, and look, your design is ready. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful flower pattern using these 2 different color of thread. First, we are going to take this red color of thread and tie a knot on the outer side like we are doing here on this green color of nylon thread from both its ends. Now take this green color of thread using the both ends of red thread. We are going to tie a knot together. So pull the threads tightly like we are doing here like this, and look, it's ready. You can make more such flower pattern afterwards. Let's make this beautiful pearl design using red color of nylon thread. Here we are going to tie a red color at the center. Now using these 2 different ends of thread, we are going to put these 2 little pearls together and tie 2 to 3 knots one after another like we are doing here. After this, we are going to put a very large size of pearl at the center thread like we are doing here and tie a knot around the pearl like this. After this, we are going to again tie 2 to 3 knot simultaneously like we're doing here. Then we are going to put these 2 little pearls on both threads like this and repeat the same process over and over again. Let's make this beautiful design using green and orange color of nylon thread. So look carefully, we are going to make 4 partition of each color of thread. Now we are going to braid each of them together one after another. Here we are going to hold one thread at one time from both ends, and look, you will get this design at the end. Start tying knot using this red color of nylon thread on this red color at the center part. Similar way, we are going to tie knot on the front and then on the back side of the thread. After this, take this green color of nylon thread and repeat the same process. Tie knot on the front side, then on the back side like this, and look, have to repeat this process. Let's make this beautiful design using pearls and nylon thread. Here we are going to make mini knots using this white and green color of thread on one side. Here we are going to tie this knot 3 to 4 times. Similar way, we are going to repeat the same process from other end as well like we are doing here in the video, and put pearls on the same time, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please